Hello friends, today's video will show you how to select mails in your Gmail. You might want to delete them, send them or forward them. To start, open up your Gmail on your web browser and ensure you are logged in. For instance, if you want to select all mails in your inbox, you click on Inbox. Now, below the search bar, click on this check box and all your mails will be selected. You can also select the arrow next to the checkbox. You click on it to choose specified types of email you want to select. It could be read, unread, starred or unstarred emails. Another way to select mails is to click on the search bar at the top. Then you search or type in the emails you want to select. You press enter. Once it's done and the searched emails are displayed as you can see on the screen, you click the checkbox above the search results and it will select all messages pertaining to your search. You can choose to delete them or you mark them as read. So that's it guys. Very easy and straightforward. Please ensure to try it out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. See you next time guys. Bye.